Welcome to the Faculty of Medicine at Dai Nam University. Here, not only will you be educated and trained to realize your dream of becoming a doctor, but also inspired to kindle a passion for contributing to the progress of national and global medicine. In 2013, Dai Nam University officially began training high-quality personnel for the healthcare sector with 3 disciplines: medicine, pharmacy, and nursing, attracting thousands of students. With a mission to care for and protect public health, the Faculty of Medicine at Dai Nam University leverages its extensive experience, dedication, and significant investments in facilities and equipment for learning and research. The faculty collaborates closely with major hospitals in Hanoi, ensuring a confident approach to training and providing society with generations of ethically sound and professionally competent doctors. Dai Nam University medical students benefit from state-of-the-art facilities within a nearly 10-hectare green, clean, and beautiful campus in the heart of Ha Dong District, Hanoi. The university has invested in standard theoretical classrooms, computer labs, and practical labs to meet students' learning needs. Notably, Dai Nam has established a pre-clinical center for students to learn clinical skills before practicing at hospitals. Students are provided with free textbooks and learning materials and have access to a rich digital resource system in the university's library. The training program of the Faculty of Medicine at Dai Nam University is designed according to the CDIO framework based on the competency standards for medical doctors issued by the Vietnamese Ministry of Health, while also meeting the high-level healthcare workforce integration needs of the region and the world. The training program spans 6 years, built on a solid foundation of basic sciences and basic medicine. The curriculum includes 145 professional knowledge credits with 31 credits of foundational knowledge and 114 credits of professional knowledge. The core subjects of medicine, such as internal medicine, surgery, obstetrics, and pediatrics, account for 67 credits. In the first 2 years, students are equipped with basic science and medical knowledge to build a strong foundation for acquiring professional knowledge in the last 4 years of the program. From the second year, Dai Nam University medical students begin clinical studies and night shifts at the university's affiliated hospitals. They learn advanced medical techniques and diagnostic and treatment methods, working with leading doctors, and gaining access to modern medical equipment, which helps them confidently practice medicine after graduation. The list includes Bạch Mai Hospital, Việt Đức Hospital, National Children's Hospital, National Maternity Hospital, National Acupuncture Hospital, National Dermatology Hospital, Hanoi Maternity Hospital, Ha Dong General Hospital, St. Paul Hospital, Hanoi Heart Hospital, Hospital E, among other first-class hospitals in Hanoi. In addition to medical training, first-year students also engage in scientific research, computer science, soft skills, and general law studies to confidently obtain their medical licenses upon graduation. Notably, Dai Nam University medical students receive English training with a budget 4 times higher than other disciplines, dedicating 18 credits to English to achieve a level 3 out of 6 proficiency as required by the Ministry of Health, and to use specialized English in their studies and professional work, including working abroad. Beyond academic knowledge, the Faculty of Medicine places great emphasis on developing soft skills, discipline, self-defense skills, and lifelong health habits to help future doctors face the challenges of the modern healthcare environment. The faculty regularly organizes scientific conferences, talk shows, and student exchange programs with renowned medical universities worldwide, broadening students' horizons, keeping them updated with the latest medical advancements. The Faculty of Medicine at Dai Nam University is proud to have a robust team of esteemed professors, doctors, and specialists with many years of teaching and practical experience. This includes 1 professor, 8 associate professors, 8 PhDs, 34 masters who are medical experts, managers, lecturers, and high-level professionals from top medical universities and hospitals in Vietnam, along with over 100 expert lecturers from first-class hospitals in Vietnam. With conscience, responsibility, and honor, Dai Nam University commits to providing quality education, passing on the passion for learning, and dedication to future generations of skilled doctors, contributing to the improvement of public healthcare quality.